showing you how you can fix a Snapchat crashes. So firstly, what you need to do to fix a Snapchat crashes, you have to follow these 3 steps so you can fix the Snapchat crashes. So there should be three reasons that your Snapchat is crashing or not opening. Is the Snapchat server is down, a Snapchat servers is down, and the second is the Snapchat has a issue themselves, and third is if you don't update your Snapchat app. So to third one, what you can do is you have to firstly on the Android and iOS you can go to the Play Store or App Store, and here you can search for the Snapchat like this, and here you can if you see the update option, then you can click on the update and you have to update your Snapchat app. So when you update your Snapchat app, you have to again go back to your Snapchat app like this, and you have to see that if the Snapchat is not opening. So if it not opening again, then there should be these two reasons that I am saying earlier, that the Snapchat is the servers is down or the Snapchat have issue themselves. So if there is two reasons, then the you have to wait until the this issue is fixed, and so that's it. Or you can also check it in the news that there is the news of that Snapchat server is down, so it will be fixed after some hours. So that's it, that how you can fix Snapchat crashes. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon to get notifications of such new informative video. And also don't forget to like, share and comment on this video. Have a good day.